Folks, let me show you something. Let me show you how to make stupid easy money with TikTok right now. So this is my Instagram account because I know some of you guys don't think this stuff works. But look, I just picked up my McLaren. This is my McLaren. So you can go to my Instagram at Wesley Virgin, because what I do is I just show, I not only show people how to make money, but I kind of showcase my life so they'll see that this is actually real. This is like, I just bought a car using this TikTok strategy that anybody can use right now. Follow through, okay? And listen, all you need to do is sign up with a TikTok account. You could have 0 followers here, and just imagine you buying your dream car, and I'll pay cash for it. So check it out. So here's the first step here, okay? What I want you to understand. Look, here's TikTok, okay? This is TikTok here, and as a matter of fact, let me go to my account here. I want to be very transparent here. And if you don't have a TikTok, just get one, okay? Just get one. Okay, here we go. $1 billion Virgin. And unfortunately, we have a lot of frauds, And folks, don't forget to smash the like button because I'm getting ready to blow your mind here with TikTok. TikTok is just on fire right now. So this is me. This is not me. This is not me. This is me. This is not me. This is me. Okay, and unfortunately, I have a lot of scammers out there. But, whatever. You got to love the haters as well. So this is my account. Yeah, I got 42,000 followers, but with the strategy, you don't need any followers at all on TikTok. And I'm going to show you something that's just behind the scenes to make money very quickly here, okay? And so open up your TikTok account right now on your phone. If not, just sign up for one for free, okay? So look, and let me show you, because you might be thinking, well, Wesley, are you actually making money? Look right here. See, $2,000 here today, okay? Today, $2,000. Using this TikTok strategy here, okay? So let me get to the steps here. This is just real life. These are accounts that I create, and I just do it, and it just works over and over again. And you can do it too. So step 1, okay, get a TikTok account. 1. Step 2, come over here to warriorplus.com, okay? Go here. Because I'm going to show you how easy and quickly you can start making money like now using stupid easy strategies with TikTok in 2022. And listen, a lot of you may be thinking, Wesley, I like you, but some of your stuff that you're posting is not working. Well, I got news for you. It's because either 1, you're quitting and giving up too fast, or 2, you're not watching the video to the very end. You're skipping, right? Because you think it's not going to work. So what I would suggest, pay attention. Open your eyes and your mind and just follow what I'm doing here. So what you want to do is once you have a Warrior Plus account, Warrior Plus is an affiliate network. They're just going to pay you tons of money. They've paid me millions of dollars in a very short amount of time doing what I'm going to show you for free. Okay, what you want to do is go to affiliate, go to offers. Okay, once you have your free account, and then you want to scroll down and you want to click on where it says TiktTokCashBot. Well, that's obviously my product. And the reason why it's number 1, you may say, well, Wesley, you're always number 1. Well, I've been doing this for 10 years. I made over $40 million doing this. So that's the reason why every product and software that I have created on this platform, I've been number 1, right? So obviously you want to promote the number 1 product, not the number 2, number 1. Why? Because new people that are just like you on YouTube are making money promoting this. And I'm giving you the same strategy I give all the other people, okay? Is that cool? So you can see here, the conversion rate is real good. It's a ton of money. It's only a 2% refund rate because obviously it works. And listen, you don't have to buy TiktTokCashBot, okay? If you want to buy it, you can. But I want to give you a strategy in this video to monetize from it without buying the product. Is that cool? So what you want to do is you need to request to get a link. You can see a button that says request. Mine says get link because obviously I've already requested it, right? So when you click here, boom, this is going to be your link to get paid. Yes, listen. Smash the like button if you can hear me. When people click on that link and buy it, you get paid in your account, okay? In your Warrior Plus account every single time. So that link is very important. You're going to copy that link. And now first, when you request, it's going to look like this. When you hit the request button, it's going to look something like this. You got the request approval. And all you do is say, Wes, I love you. Approve me. I don't care what you put. Like, I love you, right? I love you so much. Smash the like button if you love me too. It's okay if you don't love me, but I love you. Okay, that's all you're going to do. And I'm going to approve you. Most of these guys here, you see these people, they don't approve people. They don't approve new people. I don't know why. I guess because they don't want other people to win. I want everybody to win, including you, big head. So once you get approved, then you're going to have a link. Then what you do is you take the link to bit.ly.com. Stay with me here, okay? Scroll down, kill that, and put your affiliate link here and click shorten. Copy that, put it on a notepad somewhere because you're going to need this, okay? Now listen, we're finna make some money, right? You're getting close to make money on TikTok. Smash the like button if you're with me so far. I'll pause. Because see, I want you to have this McLaren. You see that McLaren? I want you to have a McLaren too. Why not? Like, I'm not that smart, but I got a ton of cars because I follow strategies. I'm patient, I'm disciplined, and I'm pretty sure you are too. That's why you're watching the video here. So look, once you have the affiliate link, and TiktTokCashBot is basically, it's a software that allows you to make money using TikTok, but the software does it for you instead of going through the manual process that I'm taking you through. So if you want to buy it and get it, because you may say, well, Wesley, this is a lot of steps. Well, TiktTokCashBot, once you click on it, well, it's going to do everything for you. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. A ton of people are making money with the software right now. Just the reason why we're number one on this platform out of like 10,000 products. We're number one because people are buying it. They're not buying it because of my smile. Now, I know you like my smile, but they're buying it because it's working. Does that make sense? It's working right now, and people are making money here. So what you want to do is, let me show you how to make some money here. So you're going to go back to TikTok here, and this is all you got to do. Go to comedy. I'm giving you a trick. This is what I use basically to make this. Oh, see, look at that. It's $4,000. See, I'm just making this video, and now it's all of a sudden it's $4,000. See? And, you know, that's the great thing about this. Like, this TiktTokCashBot thing is just making a ton of money right now. And I want you to make some money too, because I'm on 4 Gs right now. So check it out. So let's go back here. Okay. And all we want to do is we want to click on comedy here. And the great thing about TikTok, it already shows you the videos that are going viral. So you want to find a video that has a lot of heart. See this? This is viral. 359,000 people like this. Like you. Liking this video right now. They like the video. So all you do is you want to use it. Duh. Right click, hit download video. It goes right to your laptop, right? I mean, see how quick that was? And you repost it because TikTok doesn't have any restrictions yet. So like repost it right now. The great thing, this is how I grew my TikTok. Honestly, it's not because, you know, I'm famous online. I'm not even famous, really. I'm just barely famous. Like, people don't really know me, right? Not yet. They will, because I got something I'm working on. But check it out. Like, I don't even have a lot of followers, and I posted one video, and it just went viral, and all of a sudden I got followers, right? That's why I got 42,000, and I just get followers every day. So what you want to do is, let me go back here. Once you download the video, you want to repost it. This is what you do. When you repost the video, okay? The video I just showed you, you just download. When you repost that video, all you write is this. This video went viral because of this app called TiktTokCashBot. Okay, this is you put, boom, 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 and you put your link, right? Obviously, you put your bit.ly link, which is right here. Copy that. Are you with me? Guys, smash the like button if you're with me. Comment below, I love you, Wes, if you love me. If you don't love me, don't comment anything. But look, that's all you do, right? You're going to put, hold on, give me a second. See this right here? That's all you do. Like, you can just continue to do this. And the great thing about it on a brand new TikTok account, and it can be called anything. What I like to do, you can call it TiktTokCashBot. You can call it Easy Money with TikTok. You could say Fast Money with TikTok. That is the name of your new account, by the way, right? Easy Money with TikTok. Make $100 with TikTok, whatever. That's your username, right? And all you do is take viral videos, download to your computer, and you just upload them. And you put, this video went viral because of TiktTokCashBot. Click the link to get it now. Look. To get it now. Right? Or click the link in my bio to get it now. And make sure you put this link, it's important, in your bio. Right? That's all you do. You just continue to do this. You scroll down and find comedy. Because comedy, let me show you the trick about comedy. When people laugh, when people smile, like now, maybe you're smiling. I don't know. I'm going to slap you in the face if you don't smile right now. Okay. Look, when people smile, well, they're in a good mood. When people are in a good mood, they tend to be controlled. Like, they will click on links. Because people, when they're in a happy state, they tend to do what you want them to do because they're excited like you are now. So when you make people laugh, then they be like, man, what if this TikTok cash bot? Because what you want to do is you want to just basically, you can create several accounts too, you know, if you really want to do this. I got, he's 21 years old. He's from Spain. And that's what he does. He creates several TikTok accounts and he takes viral videos and he's just putting this. And he's making a ton of money right now on TiktokCashBot. So that's it. That's all you do. You know, just take 10 to like 50 videos, download them, upload them, and just put this. And let TikTok does the rest because it's going to go viral because they've already been viral. So obviously they're going to go viral again. And I would do it on multiple accounts to make more money. So it's up to you on how much money you want to make. You can see here I'm up $4,000. Smash the like button if you got some value. The easiest way to make money online with TikTok. Share this, like this, comment below. I'm gonna go through the comments and maybe I'll bless you with $100. But listen, let me know when you make your first dollar online because I want to send you something cool. Hey, I love you. Don't give up. Keep fighting for what's yours. Remember, in life, you don't get what you want, you get what you picture. This is Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.